people, and welcome back to my channel. This is super weird to just talk to my camera like this and not vlogging in the park. But since the world is insane, I needed to create content that you can actually watch at home and that don't have to go to the park filming. Because I can't go. Because it's closed. Yeah. Anyways, today is a special day because today I am going to share with you how I edit my Disney pictures. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another edit video, please. Also, don't judge my French accent. You all know, I know, you know, they know, so don't judge. Let's continue this video on my computer that I can actually show you. This is weird. This is too weird. Like the camera is not moving. Ooh! The lighting is bad too. Ooh, We're gonna do this. Let's go. Okay, so I always start editing my pictures with Photoshop. So I'm gonna open the picture that I actually want to edit. Here, the thing that I don't like is those guys there were redonning the flowers, and I'm going to make this monorail disappear because this is not pretty. What I would do is use this one, the stamp tool, and what we're gonna do is that we're going to do option on your Mac and select whatever part of the sky that you like to use to cover the monorail. So I want to go a little bit faster, so I'm going to extend the size of this. Awesome, I love it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that we're going to make those guys there walking disappear. Sorry guys, but that's awesome what you do. Just don't want you to be on my pictures. So we need to zoom in and we need to size down. Let's see. So here we need some grass. Yep, you, my dear, you're going to leave as well. and done, they completely disappeared. So we have no one on my flowers, we have no more monorail, and so that's great. So what we're gonna do, we are going to export this, and we're going to go to Lightroom. Now what I like to do is just use the preset that I got that I actually made. So the presets, they're here. I have a couple of them that I created myself, but right now on my Instagram I use this one. Sounds great. There you go. We came from this to that, and that is pretty cool. So the other things that I really like to do on my pictures after I edit on Photoshop and on Lightroom is actually add some overlays or add some element to the picture to make it like special, different. So what I do is that I'm going on an app called Pixaloop and or QuickShot, depends if you want your video to move or not, but most of the time I want it to move. So I'm going to record right now on my phone that you guys can see. And I'm going to do new project. I'm going to select the picture that I want to edit, add some cute things. For example, this is flower and garden, so let's add element of butterflies or flowers, whatever, things that remind the picture. Oh, I love the floating butterflies, so I think we're gonna go with that. There you go. Awesome. Next, I'm going to export the video. I usually do 12 seconds in like 4K, and I export the file. And my picture is done, and I can now publish it on Instagram. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of those, because I am about to do a lot more. That was the whole process of how I edit my picture before posting them on Instagram. Hope you guys liked it, and I will see you next time.